Hello guys, today I'll show you how to trade profitably in the OTC market, and watch this video till the end and you'll learn how to trade like me guys. So guys, today we trade OTC and the payout rate is the most profitable guys. So the payers have 92%, and I also want to remind you guys that OTC means that trading takes place directly between traders and not via the exchange, so you have to be very careful. That's why we are gonna open our positions in the direction of the trend. So I got $100 on the balance and we trade for all the money as usual, and we are gonna make good profit today. So let's pick our indicators. It's gonna be the RSI, the fractal and zigzag, so they will be a huge help for us today. And don't change the settings, we are good with the default ones. And let's get started guys. Let's open a loan here guys. Let me explain the principle. So guys, we observe a clear uptrend here, and I'll point out the trend line, and then we see that the local low has been updated here, and we expect to see the continuation of the uptrend, and the price is gonna move to the upside and toward updating the new local high. So previously, the local high was updated at this point according to the fractal, and the next local high should be way higher. That's why we opened the long position. And yep guys, our position had been closed in profits. Actually it was kind of close, but anyway our signal played out perfectly and we got $1,092. So let's move on. Let's open a long position guys. This one looks really promising, and the first things to notice is that the moving average just hit the oversold zone on the other side. It's gonna reverse and start moving up. So also take a look at this huge downward movement and this massive correction. Before opening here I watched the chart of the bigger time frame, and the trend was more upward. That's why we open with the trend and expect the price to go up guys. And we are in the profits again, and we got $368 on our balance, and this is a good start. There is no stopping here, and let's continue. Let's open another long position guys. I think the trade entry level is really good. We observe a healthy uptrend here. There was a huge pump to the upside, after which we see some consolidation and finally this correction here, and now the pullback is seeming guys. The uptrend should be a continued. That's why we opened the long position in the direction of the uptrend. And yep guys, the pullback is gained moments exactly as we predicted, and we got $700 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. Let's open a short position guys. I'll point out the workspace, and first of all I want to show you that the downtrend dominates here. I'll point out the trend line. Then we see this huge downward dynamics here, after which the local low was updated, and then a little pullback to the upside, and by now it should be over and the updating of the local high has already happened, and we see this red candle, so the price is going to move lower and the downtrend should be continued guys. And let's watch. And there we go, our position is in a profit. We got almost $1,500 on the balance, and let's continue the trading session. And let's open a long position following the trend direction. I'll point out the workspace, and like I said, here is the uptrend. I'll point the trend line, and we see that the lows become higher, the price is moving within this expanding channel, and we see the updating of the local low here, and then this pullback to the upside. So basically we see this kind of movement. Our local high and lows are becoming high, we can clearly see that. And previously there was updating of the local high here, and then this correction, and it should be over by now. So because we see the inception of the green candle and the price is gonna move up and in the direction of the uptrend, that's why we open the long guys. And there we go, our position is in a profit exactly as we predicted. Nice one guys. Let's continue our trading session. Let's open two short positions in the direction of the trend, and the principle is exactly the same. I'll point out the workspace, and first of all I want to point out the trend line. Here we see lower highs and lower lows. That's why we can conclude that this is the downtrend. So after the updating of the local high, there was a huge jump here, and then a little pullback did happen, after which we expect to see the continuation of the downtrend, and the price is gonna go down. That's why we open the short in the direction of the downtrend. And yep guys, our positions in the profit, this is a good one, and I don't want to stop here. Let's continue. Let's open 4 short position, guys, in the direction of the trend as usual. So first of all, take a look at this massive resistance zone. The price is gonna rebound and move to the downside, and again I wanna point out the downtrend here, and there was a healthy downward dynamics, and then a small pullback followed up, and the price hit the resistance zone, and now it's gonna rebound and move down. As simple as that, guys. So if you look at the other side, we see reversal here, and the moving average is near the level 50, and it's gonna move down towards the oversold zone. That's why we opened the short. And yep, all the position are in profits, and now it's time to open our final position, and then we are gonna withdraw the money as usual. 7 long position in the direction of this uptrend. So guys, as always, I'm gonna point out the trend line, and we can see a clear uptrend, upper highs and upper lows, and there was some upward dynamics, after which the updating of the local high did happen. And then we see this correction, which should be over by now in the fractal. We'll show this, the updating of the local low has happened, and the price is gonna move up. That's why we open our long position in the direction of the trend. And if you look at the RSI, we see that the moving average just hit the middle line, and this reversal should follow up, and it's gonna move towards the overbought zone. As simple as that, guys. And there we go, all the positions have been closed with a profit, guys, and I am happy, and we can call it tonight. But first we are gonna withdraw the money. And let's withdraw, I guess $14,200. I'll put down the Bitcoin address and the code, and we press the continue button, and there we go, our transaction has been processed. I'll attach the screen where it's done as usual. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you got the principle. Everything is simple. Be sure to use it in your own trading, and you are not gonna regret about it. See you next time. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.